warning for the following county: Barbour, West Virginia. Issued at 5:29 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Flood warning now in effect until Thursday morning. Moderate flooding is occurring and major flooding is forecast. Areas affected include Tigert Valley River at Philip P. The hazardous weather can be expected until Thursday morning. Impacts: at 25.0 feet, most areas along the river are flooded. Additional details: at 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday, the stage was 22.2 feet. Bankful stage 0.0 feet. Recent activity: the maximum river stage in the 24 hours ending at 5 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time Wednesday was 22.2 feet. Forecast: the river is expected to rise to a crest of 25.5 feet this afternoon. It will then fall below flood stage just after midnight tonight. Flood stage is 19.0 feet. Flood history: this crest compares to a previous crest of 25.9 feet on March 7, 1967. Flood safety information can be found at weather.gov/safety/flood.